it's giving you, you know, the different feelings, and it's so amazing. It's very nice. Yes, hi guys. I would like to introduce with our new friend Savi. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today I am here right now in Tornalingian beach, and we were having some official work over here in Dagupan. So just I was looking for, so just we are here on the beach for refreshing. So I was not expecting actually the day inside in our car. It was so much hot, but when I entered inside the beach, particularly when from the crossroad I have saw the ocean, so my eyes, you know, make me refresh, and it's a very pleasant feelings right now, which was earlier when I was inside the city. It's totally opposite. It was too much hot inside, and now here I'm enjoying it, even though there is a bright sunlight over here, but because of the wind and the ocean, it makes me very fresh. So it's very, you know, lovely outstanding view at the moment, and so nice. The people over here enjoying. So again, I am not happy that I don't have the swimming gears with me, otherwise I should have jumped again into the ocean. So unfortunately, so, but actually it's not suitable, I think. But some of the people over there, they are there in the nearby, because there is a heavy waves as well, but it's manageable. You can just only on this side, as the people over there, they are doing it. So it's very nice, very nice. Have some my drone footage. Yes, hi guys. I would like to introduce with our new friend Savi. So I found her over here, and she just was curious about us, because we are both Pakistani here. So thank you so much, Savi, that you are a nice girl. You are a very beautiful Maganda, right? Maganda Savi. So wish you all the best, and please like and subscribe my channel. You must have to watch our particularly videos, okay? So guys, so I'm happy. One of our they are our actually host over here, and we are representing as a foreigner over here. And since I have a vlog, so I am happy that whatever I'm doing my job, so at least I'm getting some appreciation. So I'm representing the, of course, the beautiful Philippines and the beautiful people like her. So she is good woman. And Savi, so no problem, you are most welcome anytime when you want to join. Even behind me there is a brain tree, so it's a combination of blue ocean, blue water, blue sky, white clouds, gray clouds, and blue skies. And so it's giving you, you know, the different feelings, and it's so amazing. It's very nice and wonderful. Refreshing it myself, so amazing. So hope you guys like my this small vlog for today, and wish you all the best. Stay blessed and healthy, and please do like to subscribe my channel, and because we are because of you guys. So stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.